How to see your Apple ID password on iPhone. To view your Apple ID password, follow these steps. Firstly, on your device, open Settings. In Settings, scroll down and click on General. Inside General, you should see the option called Software Update. Click on Software Update and check for any updates that may be available. If there are updates available, then click on the Update option to update the app. If there are no updates available, go back to your home page. Now go to the search bar on the top and search for password. Open password on your device. Now here you will see different sections like these. Click on All. Now if you have saved your password to your device, then you should see the option of Apple ID here. If not, then you cannot see your Apple ID password. If you haven't saved it and you want to view it, then you might need to change your password. To do that, you can simply click on Forgot Password inside your settings inside Apple ID. So this is how you can view or know your Apple ID password. That's all for today. Thank you.